Ever needed to move money from your Chime account to your PayPal? You've probably found yourself wondering, is it even possible? And if so, what's the best way to do it? You're not alone. This is a common question, and the answer is yes, you can. But it's not a direct transfer like you might think. Chime and PayPal don't have a built-in feature to send money directly to each other, but that doesn't mean you're out of luck. The solution is simple. You have to link your Chime account to your PayPal account. Think of it like a bridge between the two platforms. Once they're linked, you can initiate a transfer from PayPal. PayPal will pull the funds from your Chime account and add them to your PayPal balance. To do this, you'll need your Chime account and routing numbers. You can easily find these in your Chime app. Just go to Settings and then to Account Info. Once you have those numbers, head over to your PayPal account. You'll go to the Wallet section, select Link a Bank, and follow the prompts. You'll enter your Chime details, and PayPal will verify the account with a small deposit. This might take a day or two, but once it's confirmed, you're good to go. After that, whenever you want to move money, you simply go to your PayPal account, click on Add Money, and select your linked Chime account. The transfer will then be processed. Keep in mind that while PayPal doesn't charge a fee for this type of transfer, your bank might. It's always a good idea to check for any potential fees. So, while there's no magic Chime to PayPal button, linking your accounts is a straightforward and secure way to get your money where it needs to be. It's a quick process that gives you the flexibility to use your money across both platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.